Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes. Welcome to another edition of my Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial and cover is a song called Some Kind of Wonderful. It was written by a gentleman named John Ellison for his band Soul Brothers 6 in 1967. This great song has been covered countless times, but the best known version is from Grand Funk in 1974. Their version peaked at number 3 on the Billboard Hot 100. Let's take a few minutes now and look at the chords and the chord progression to this great hit. Okay, this song is unbelievably easy to play. It only has 3 chords in it. Let's have a look at them now. First chord, A major. There's a D chord. And there's an E major chord. Let's look again. A major, a D chord, and an E major. That's it. Those 3 chords through the entire song. Let's take a couple minutes now and look at the chord progression and a little bit of strumming. Okay, the strumming is just as easy as the chords themselves. It's kind of just a straight rock and roll up and down strum. Let's have a look now. It starts on the A chord. Here we go. That's it. To the D. I don't need a whole lot of money. I don't need a big fine car. I got everything that a man could want. I got more than I could ask for. Don't need to run around. Don't need to stay out all night. 'Cause I got a sweet, sweet loving woman. She knows just how to treat me right. My baby, she's alright. My baby, clean outside. Don't you know that she's some kind of wonderful, some kind of wonderful, some kind of wonderful, yeah, yeah, yeah. That's it. Those 3 chords and that chord progression through the entire song. Very, very easy. Okay, so you know the routine. We're going to mic it up now. I'm going to call on a great backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. Practice that a few times and be ready to join me. I don't need a whole lot of money. I don't need a big fine car. I got everything that a man could want. I got more than I could ask for. Don't need to run around. I don't need to stay out all night. 'Cause got a sweet, sweet loving woman. She knows how to treat me right. My baby, she's alright. My baby, clean outside. Don't you know that she's some kind of wonderful, some kind of wonderful, some kind of wonderful, yeah, yeah, yeah. When I hold her in my arms, she sets me soul on fire. Ooh, when my baby kisses me, my heart becomes filled with desire. When she wraps her loving arms around me, it drives me out of my mind. Yeah, when my baby kisses me, chills run up and down my spine. My baby, she's alright. My baby, clean outside. Don't you know that she's some kind of wonderful, some kind of wonderful, some kind of wonderful. sweet little woman like mine. Got to be somebody out there. That's a sweet little woman like mine. Can I get a witness? Can I get a witness? Can I get a witness? Oh yeah. Can I get a witness? Alright. That's what I'm talking about. Talking about my baby. Some kind of wonderful. Talking about my baby. Some kind of wonderful. Talking about my baby. Some kind of wonderful. And there you have it, Some Kind of Wonderful, written by John Ellison in 1967, but made quite famous by Grand Funk in 1974. My name is Troy Hawes. Thanks for tuning in to my Acoustic Lounge. If you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button. Till the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.